welcome to the cook. Today I'm making pizza, my favorite today. So I need onions, tomatoes,
Spinach.
and some
Capsicum.
capsicum. This is really yummy. I'm gonna eat one piece.
Raw capsicum.
They're not spicy. So I use that powder.
Atta.
Yeah, I think so. It's powder, but it's powder.
Okay.
And some cheese, some
Tomato sauce.
tomato sauce, and some
Baking.
baking powder,
Baking soda.
baking soda, and baking powder,
Mm-hmm.
and some yogurt, and some salt, and some sugar, and some measuring cups.
Mm-hmm.
And if you want to watch Yuvan cook, and you want to cook, see you later. Bye. I just added salt. I'm adding baking powder.
Okay.
1 spoon. Add baking soda.
Okay.
1
Mm-hmm.
and 2, I think. Adding some slow good. See how cool it is. I'm making a pizza. Look at it. I'm swirling it with mine.
Rolling.
Rolling it.
Are you having fun doing the pizza?
I made this much big, gigantic pizza.
Okay.
But do it carefully. So I do it. This is fun. Isn't it, kids?
Yes, it is, Yuvan.
Pizza sauce. Pizza.
Okay.
Some
Bell peppers. Mm-hmm.
and some onions,
Spinach.
spinach.
Spread it evenly, Pandu.
Then I'm gonna put some tomatoes.
Mm-hmm. Evenly. Spread it all over the pizza.
I must put all of it. Now I'm putting onions.
Yuvan's favorite.
My pizza. Mom is gonna put the currant. What is this even doing?
Cool.
It's like a tomato. A big candy.
Okay.
You want to cook and you want to see you want to cook and see you later. Bye.